Everyone, Ian here, Mannerside Media. And yeah, so appraisals have taken me into many different new parts of Saskatchewan that I've been into, and these two I have to show you. They're both Ford trucks on the outside, but I'm going to show you something really slick. I'm in my experience, I'm more of a original stuff and this and that, and I love the colors of these trucks. But for the Mopar fans out there, they're both packed with Cummins. So these are actually chassis swapped here. So I'm going to go through truck to truck here and show you what the owner's done. And I think they're done so well that they gotta be shown to you. So this is a 76 truck on top of a 1998 Dodge 2500. So they're both four-wheel drives. And the owner drives this red and white colored one often. This is his daily summer driver, he says. And I believe it. I mean, these things they're cool. They have the vintage look. I love the roll bar with the lights on top. It's how I remember everybody having these back when I was a kid, to be honest. So the only thing that gave it away for me is that it had the center caps on from the Dodge for the bolt pattern and the rims. Otherwise, I had no idea until I opened the hood. I had no clue. And then the inside has a little bit different look to it as well. We have the Dodge steering column and cluster because, again, with the electronic part of this, it's definitely simpler. I fully agree. I would have done the exact same thing. So the gauges all work as they should. The column, everything works again. It's automatic on the column. These are 1991 Ford truck seats. But the outer panels or the door panels are all as is. Everything other than the cluster in the dash is also original to the truck, but it's sitting on a 98 Dodge chassis. So again, you get the looks of the old or the vintage, let's say, and not that 1998 was a couple years ago, but it is definitely better than the 1975 chassis. That would be twin I-beam. So now he's running coil springs. Yeah, so anyway, I just thought these were super cool, and he said, yeah, absolutely, I can take a video. So I'm going to give you a walk around of the red one, and we'll go over to see the blue one. I think the blue one is even a little bit more nasty. I love it. It's they got the big exhaust on it. So yeah, he went slip tank on the back. So we'll crack open this door here as well. And as it goes here, I mean, if any of my students are watching, you know how I like to play the Saskatchewan game. Where are you from? Who do I know? Who can we pick on together? And it was funny today coming out here. There's a handful of appraisals to do out here, and the last name, I knew the last name. So yeah, it just so happens the dad here, who I'm doing appraisals for, his son was one of my students. Not that I feel old now, but maybe a little bit. But it's just cool. Small town stuff here. Small world, I guess. Okay, so let's bring it around. So yeah, the front again has everything as it would, but yeah, when you crack the hood, it's all so much better. So this is all original under the hood, or the engine, I guess, not actually under the hood. The engine is virtually untouched, and yeah, uses it all the time. So now we'll go over to the blue one. So the blue one is a 75, as indicated on the front license plate. So, and this one's sitting on a 2005 Dodge Ram 1-ton, so dually, clearly, and also back to the 24 valve. So this engine here, bottom end's been done, and just for good measure, and that's pretty well as this one sits. But again, this is the super cab, I think is what Ford called it when you had the 4 doors, or crew cab. So then here we have 2012 Ford truck interior, seats and console. Oh, that one's for you, Jim. My English teacher told me the only thing that has a console is a city. Consoles in a vehicle. So sorry, console. So yeah, I mean, again, we have the Dodge steering wheel with the Dodge cluster, but then everything, well, I shouldn't say everything else, we got the screen there, but I mean, this stuff here, that's all as would be from 1975. And to get it, I think this matches so good, is the headliner. It matches the glove box and the doors so well. And yeah, I love it. It's when I was talking to the owner about this, he said it was car show and I needed something and you just can't order this stuff. And I love it. I think it's perfect. I wouldn't change it for nothing. I think it suits the colors in the inside so well. So yeah, the back seat here too. So yeah, it's fully functional. This one has air conditioning. The blue one, blue and white one has air conditioning. The red one does not. There is no room for AC in the red one. It is jam packed in there, where this one had some room, which is great. So what do you do after you restore a truck and chassis swap a truck? Put a fifth wheel hitch in it and use it. So that's, again, just they're built to be used, which I can appreciate. So yeah, it's got the dualies. So it's got a 4-inch turbo back exhaust that goes out into 5, which is what we're looking at here. There's the 66 Polara. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, maybe the winter project, I guess, is going to be dual out the back, which I think is good. I used to put those on. I was telling you, I used to put those on in the performance shop quite often. So yeah, the dualies, it's just, they look so good together. The colors offset, where the cream or the white and the blue is opposite of the red and the white. I love it. So yeah, so let's get in the inside here, and then here we are. So there again, like I said, the Dodge cluster with the steering wheel. But then yeah, everything else we're looking at is, this is all original stuff, the dash frame and everything. I just think it's so cool. I don't know if I have the capability in my brain to do this, but this owner definitely did, and did a bang up job. I love it. So anyway, if you have any questions pertaining to this swap, I can't answer it, but I can definitely pass them along to the owner and I can get back to you. So if you have any questions about the process, just comment on the video and I'll make sure to get you an answer. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and we're going to get back on the trail and get some more appraisals and maybe get some more videos out of them. So yeah, appreciate everything. Thanks for watching. Make sure you tell all your friends. Take care. Bye for now.